So hey everybody, today is April, let's see here, April 29th, Saturday. So we've got a busy next couple of days. I did a video just yesterday about what's coming up for us, how busy we're going to be in the next few, well, at least the next week. And I'm taking you through each of the locations now. So this is location number one, Saturday, starting ourselves off. We've been working this site for a year now, from completely open raw land to the final build out of what's shaping up to be a really beautiful home. This has been a really fun project. It's a very simple and small project. We were contracted by the person who is having the house built. So the homeowner wanted a record of the entire build out of the home. That's what we've been doing. So starting in March of 2022 through April of 2023, we've documented the raw land, the concrete slab pour, the walls going up, you name it, we've covered it. Now, recently the owner's getting ready. This is supposed to be move-in ready in under a week now. So the owner wanted us to go through and not only do our usual flights and checking out the rooftop and everything, they also wanted us to check out the interior. We've done 360 tours in here, and they wanted to make sure we're kind of like almost walking through doing a punch list for the client right now. Something we never expected to be doing, but if you start getting into different types of construction, especially residential construction, the job can actually turn into more than just a single job. And in the end, you end up working for multiple parties. When we look at another one of our projects upcoming this week, we're actually working with the builders, the realtors, some of the investors. We've got multiple hats going on for what started out as one construction project with multiple residential homes. Now, I'm not sure exactly where I'm looking on the camera, so if I'm looking away, my apologies, everybody. But so we're standing out. We've got the kitchen area behind us. We've got a great room right over here. And the place has really come together. And one of the really cool things as a drone operator doing this kind of work, we get to see it from start to finish, which is pretty slick. So we've had some fun with this one as well. Keep in mind, one single client who enjoys your work and enjoys your documentation of their build out can reach out to a lot of other folks. There are some other new houses going into the same area. So we're going to be looking for some more jobs out here as well. Since this one is coming to a close, we'd like two or three more kind of similar setups here. All right, everybody. So thanks for coming along. You didn't get to see the flights or anything, but of course, I'll pop some of the flights up on screen here so that you can see some of the other work that we've been doing in here today. Normally, this job site only takes us an hour, and then we do post-processing for about an hour back at the office. In the case today, with all of the extras, we're billing a couple additional hours, and the client had no problem with that whatsoever. So there you have it. Saturday is now halfway done. We'll go back, we'll do our post-processing, and then we'll put together our presentation for the client. We'll have that all wrapped up by tonight easily, and then we can get ourselves ready for our Sunday flight. Oh, and by the way, so we were using a Mavic 2 Pro today. And in addition to the Mavic 2 Pro, we were both using our iPhone 14 Pros. And right now I've got my iPhone 14 on a Joby stand here. And we've got the wireless Go 2 receiver, and then we've got the wireless Go 2 transmitter. So hopefully I can get some of the echo out of this room. So the gear for today, the Mavics, the iPhones, some audio gear. It's never just the drone. There's always additional gear that we bring along with us. Hey again, everybody. I didn't expect to be doing this, but so here's the deal. So we went out for the morning. We spent 2 hours on the site, as I showed you through. And then we came back to the office and I wanted a little bit of lunch. Now I'm recording myself making the recording for the YouTube audience here. What my next step is really simple. We've already offloaded the drone, offloaded the iPhones, offloaded a GoPro. So I've already organized all that for myself. So my next step is going to be going through and doing the edits of the site. So it's going to be the orbit around the site. Time lapse, of course. We're also going to be showing the new paver stones, the paver stones going all around the entire house, and some other requests that the client had, new requests. So that's the next part. And once I'm done with that and I have everything assembled, I'll be popping it on See My Build for the client so they can go take a look at it and get some of their questions answered. So all of this is going to be wrapped up in a day. This has taken just a little longer than normal because of the additional requests the client had, which is perfectly fine. Always stay in contact with your customers just to make sure if their needs have changed or if there's anything additional you can do for them. And in the case of this one, the client has liked everything so much that we've been adding services. So it's not completely over yet, but it is coming to a close soon. All right, everybody, I'm going to go get everything done, get everything charged up, and then tomorrow will be day 2 of our little marathon of drone projects. So we'll see you then. By the way, if you want to know more about this stuff, classes.azdrone.net. One of my classes, How to Make Money with Your Drones, actually shows you through multiple projects that we've been working on or completed to give you some ideas of the types of work you can do with your drone.